Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm making an interesting street food. Let's see how to make this Matka Pizza. Here I'm making it with some paneer, but you can replace it with chicken. So into a pan add some oil, saute some garlic. Add finely chopped onion, saute it. And when it changes its color, add the bell peppers. Here I'm adding red bell pepper and green bell peppers. Saute it. Add some mixed herbs, some salt and mix it. Now finally add some pizza sauce. Add the paneer cubes. Saute it till all the water evaporates and our filling is ready. Now here I am using the store-bought pizza base. Cut that into small pieces. You can also make the homemade pizza base. The recipe for that is already uploaded in my channel. You can check the description for the recipe link. Or if you don't want to use the pizza base, you can also replace it with bread. Now all the ingredients are ready, let's assemble it. I've used a large matka here, but you may also use smaller matkas like khullads. Apply some butter into the matka to prevent pizza from sticking to the bottom while baking. Now sprinkle some pizza cheese and add the pizza base pieces. Then add the next layer, that is our paneer filling. Then sprinkle some more cheese, then the pizza base. Then the paneer mix. Then finally top it up with lots of pizza cheese. Now here I'm garnishing it with some bell peppers and some olives. And it's ready to bake. So bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for just 10 minutes. And after baking, you can see the pizza is ready. It is so delicious. The cheese has melted completely. Sprinkle some pizza seasoning, some chili flakes, and just dig in. It's so tasty and very delicious. Kids will really enjoy it, so definitely try it out. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.